Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need read/write access and a text editor. Open your project or server directory and find the properties file. Once found, make a backup copy to preserve the original. Next, choose an editor that preserves Unix line endings if required. VS Code or Nano are safe. Open the file with the editor. If you see encoding issues, switch to UTF-8. Once done, scan the top lines for comments that explain keys and expected value formats. You now edit the keys and values carefully. Maintain the key equals value structure and avoid adding extra quotes unless the application expects them. When changing values, make incremental edits and explain intentions with inline comments using #or, so future readers know why. Save frequently and use the editor's encoding and EOL settings. Mismatched encoding can break parsing. If values contain special characters, escape them properly using Unicode or / sequences. Make sure to keep spacing consistent. You finish by saving the file with UTF-8 encoding and correct line endings, then verify file permissions allow the application to read it. Restart the app or reload configuration as required, and watch logs for parsing errors or missing key warnings. If something breaks, stop and revert to the backup, then reapply one change at a time to isolate the issue. A key troubleshooting tip: if the loader ignores your edits, check for duplicate keys or alternate config sources that may override this file.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.